What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. I've got a Rocket Bunny FRS behind me this week, and we're going a full wrap in Gloss Ambulance Yellow by Avery. I wrapped this car about 2 years ago, and we used a Gloss Tiffany Blue by Hexus. And so I'm a little late starting on the filming, so most of the car is done, but I did want to document some of the process and show you guys what we're doing. So I'll take a walk around the vehicle with you and show you what we got left. All right, so I got a few things left to trim on the bumper. This color really doesn't show up on camera in person. It's a lot deeper, rich yellow. But coming off the Tiffany Blue, we had to do something bright. We wanted to do something that really stood out, and I think this color definitely does it. We went with the white roof to break it up. This is a Gloss Pearl White by Avery, along with the pillars, a pinstripe just to break that line. I do have the passenger side laid. I do have a couple wide body pieces that I still have to work on. But that roof and pillars looks great with the white VSKFs. And coming around to the other side, I have the fender and door laid. I do still have to do the quarter panel. And like I said, some of the wide body pieces will still need to be done, as well as the front bumper. We're gonna be using a different bumper, but this was the old color that we were using. So next up, I'll probably work on the laying a little bit into the door jamb and then working that quarter panel. So I'll show you the process on that.
I'm so good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering our walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, leaving tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Repeating patterns like the others. Meditation through the yoga lessons. Going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering our walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, leaving tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
All right, so quarter panel's all tucked. Everything came out good. This side is pretty much done. All I have left is the pillar in pearl white. So I have my knifeless tape laid here where I want the line to end. And then everything else will be tucked into the seals and behind the fender to cover the red.
If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, leaving tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
So I want to show you guys how I do the inlays on these FRS bumpers. I've done it quite a few different ways over the years. This is the way that I found works best for me and comes out the cleanest. So I have an inlay on each headlight recess. It's a little too deep to stretch the vinyl in there all the way. If you do, it'll lead to failure down the road. I also do this lower center grill area. So there's kind of a body line that I follow going up on there. And then also the other headlight recess. So next up, I'm gonna run a full piece of vinyl across. I'm gonna have my knifeless tape set up on those inlays. And once I cut everything, I will show you how the inlays look once the bumper is finished. All right guys, just wanna show you these seams on the bumper real quick. So you can see how they turned out. So if you remember, I had that inlay on the top. So I have my seams going in, all following body lines, they're all symmetrical. And then down here on the center, I have my inlay on the center grill portion, and then wrapped into that 1/8 inch overlay going up that body line. So like I said, this is the way that I found works best for me. If you guys know of anything else that maybe looks a little cleaner, definitely let me know and I'll give it a shot. All right guys, I think that's it for this one. The vehicle isn't put back together yet, but the owner does have to do some final adjustments because of some of the new parts on the vehicle. Hopefully I can do a follow-up video showing you guys how the wrap's holding up and also the final product. In the meantime, I will link just in the description below his YouTube and his Instagram. Make sure you follow. He's got a lot of content coming out following this build and a lot of other things. So thank you for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys on the next one.